Hello guys, welcome to learnCity. I'm Austin and I'll be your tutor for today's lesson. I'll be taking you through JAMB English past question. Question 1. Books are different from other goods because A. Customers for the trade are much restricted. B. Books are not manufactured but printed. C. One cannot tell so easily which books will prove sellable. Or D. Books can be kept in stock much longer than goods. The correct answer is C. C is the correct answer because according to the passage, one cannot tell so easily which books will prove sellable. Question 2. The problem of selection in the book trade involves A. Is it holding a stock large enough for the public to choose from? Or is it B. Determining which books will sell fast? Or C. Being a sales representative of large publishing houses? Or option D. Being able to review the latest publications? Now, according to this question, what is the problem of selection of book trade? The correct answer is option B. Now, why do you think it will be option B? According to the passage, the problem of selection in the book trade involves determining which book will sell fast. This fits it better. Let's go to the next question. How many solutions to the bookseller's problems are offered in this passage? Now take your time to go through the options. Is it 2? Or B, 3? Or C, is it 4? Or D, is it 5? So how many solutions to the bookseller's problem are listed in the passage? What's your guess? Alright, the correct answer then is 3 solutions. You get to find, reading through the passage, you get to find out that 3 solutions were offered to the dilemma of the bookseller. Question 4. Of the solution proposed for the bookseller's problems, how many are actually positive? A. Is it 2? B. 3? C. Is it 4? Or D. None? Our previous question will help us in answering this. Let's check out the answer. Our correct answer then is option D. None were positive. Going through the first and second paragraphs, we'll get to find out these solutions to the bookseller's problems. But there is this use of buts. The conjunction buts contradicts the options to the solutions. So that will tell us then that there are no positive to the solutions offered by the writer. Let's go to the next question. Question 5. The story of the old soldier and a book in the passage is an illustration of the point that A. Is it that the general has already got a book? Or B. Is it that a book is of interest only to those whom that book means something? Is it C. Soldiers do not like the book trade because a book is enough for a general? Or is it option D that says booksellers face a real dilemma because of a constantly changing clientele? Now, what do you think the correct answer is? Why not go over it? The correct answer then is that a book is of interest only to those whom that book means something. You could check this in the last paragraph of the passage. Thank you.